In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy put options on interactive brokers. Now you can do this anywhere. I'm currently on IBKR desktop, but you could also use the mobile version or maybe like the web version or whatever you're using from interactive brokers. Now, mind you, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just going to show you how to actually find this and how to go ahead and buy it. And of course, it's up to you to do your own research before you actually invest in anything. So I'm going to go to the top left. I'm going to click on the search box. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to type in, for example, something random, just some random stock. And let's just do Tesla over here because I have it in my history already. So I'm going to click on Tesla. And whenever you do this, it's going to open up the chart. Or if you type it in manually like that, you'll be able to see automatically. You can switch over to options and you can click on the basically Tesla or whatever you're doing here. And it's going to open up the option chain. Now, as you can see, you could also go from charts. Up here, you can simply switch over to option chain, and that's what you have to do. Now, by default, you'll see puts and calls, and you can go ahead and click on here and just basically select puts. And just like this, you'll be able to go ahead and basically buy put options. Now, you can go ahead and select the one you want to purchase. Here on the right, it's going to open up your buy order, and then you can just go ahead and, of course, switch on buy or sell here. It's completely up to you. And then you can go ahead and just select the quantity, the type of your order you want to do, either limit, market, or stop, or any others on this list here. Then you can go ahead and select your limit price in case you've done a limit order, select the time in force, and you could also attach like profits, take profits, stop losses, stuff like that. And then over here, whenever you're ready, you can just go ahead and click on submit by order. You could also preview it or save it if you wanna and see the advanced options in case you are an advanced trader. And then you can just go ahead and basically click on submit by order. You can see kind of the confirmation and the overview, and then click on transmit over here, and it's going to basically fill your order right away if the markets are open. So that's how to buy put options. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.